Hi everyone, welcome to Zylostar. My name is Manujan Anayakara. Today we are going to learn how to trade with fundamental news, where to find it, and how to use our Zylostar indicator to identify the direction which you should trade in. Let's get started. Okay, so learning to trade on fundamental news is the study of news events and economic statistics to determine trading opportunities. A lot of news is published every day and many traders use it as their main trading strategy because news creates the momentum in the market. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to find upcoming news events. Stay tuned. First you open the forexfactory.com in your browser. Here you can see the news events. This is the time, the currency and the event. So now I will show you how to use this platform. First of all, make sure you set the time in accordance with your time zone. Attached with the events, we can see different colors. They represent the impact to the market. We can filter them out to see the impacted events that really creates momentum in the market. Okay, now let's go to the filter section. Over here, we have 4 colors. Gray color represents non-economic events, and the yellow represents low impacted news, and the orange color represents medium impacted news, and the red color represents the highly and the most important kind of news. Since the red color represents highly impacted news, so we are considering that alone. So we untick all the other colors and leaves the red one out. So in here we can see that the filtered out news events which are highly impacted to the market. So forecast is what we are expecting before the news, and actual is what is actually happened after the news is released. And if the actual shows in red color, so it means that it is a negative impact on the currency, and if it shows in green color, it shows that it has a positive impact on the currency. So currently when we are recording this video, today is February 1st, so we can see the past events which have been happened already. So we have the actual and forecast for the events which has already happened. So considering today upcoming events, we have an event at 5:15 which is highly impacted on USD, and we don't see actual figure of this currency because this news has not released already. So once the news is released, we can see the actual results of the currency, whether it's negative or positive. If we click on this folder, we can see the historical data of the events and what the event is about. So for example, today we have an event at 5:15 PM for the USD. If the result is positive, for example, we will see the impact on the chart. So I will go into the chart to show you how to use our Zylostar indicator to trade.
On your screen, you can see 3 different indicators, and with the combination of 3 different indicators, there is one indicator strategy which is known as Zylostar strategy. So in this Zylostar strategy, you can see 3 different indicators on your screen. So let me give you an overview of each one of these indicators, and then we'll see how this Zylostar indicator strategy works in a combination of indicators. Now in this indicator strategy, our first indicator is Zylostar oscillator. You can see this green and red color indicator which is shown at the bottom of the chart, and you can see that sometimes it is of green color and sometimes it is changing the color and changing the color into red. So in short, I can tell you that it is giving you the overview that what is the long-term trend of the market. So the Zylostar oscillator is giving you that what is the long-term trend of the market. If the color of the Zylostar oscillator is green, it means it is an uptrend in a long term, and if the color of a Zylostar oscillator is red, it shows you that it's a downtrend in a long term market. Then we have our second indicator. Our second indicator is a Zylostar cloud. You can see this cloud like structure in a charts. Now this cloud like structure is also having 2 different colors, which is again green and red. So now again, the green color Zylostar cloud indicator is showing you the short term trend, which is an uptrend in the market, And same thing with the red color cloud, and it is showing you the short term downtrend in the market. So now we get two different indicators which are indicating the trend of the market. One is Zylostar oscillator, which is showing you the long term trend, and then another one is a Zylostar cloud, which is showing you the short term trend. With these two indicators, we have one more indicator, which is a Zylostar stop loss indicator. Now this Zylostar stop loss indicator shows you that if you are going to take a buy position, then these green dotted lines will give you the level where you can place your stop loss. And if you are going to make the selling position, then these red dotted lines are going to give you the exact price where you can place your stop loss on a selling trade. Now I have discussed about these three indicators. Now let's understand how we can use this indicator strategy, how we can combine all these indicators, and exactly at which point of time and where we can take a trade, and at which price levels we can place our stop losses and take profits. So now let's understand how we can combine all these three indicators, and how we can make a strategy with all these indicators. So it is very simple to take trades with this kind of indicator strategy. All you need to do is you have to spot that where the color of the oscillator is changing. Now at this point, you can see on your screen, at this point the color of the oscillator is changing from green color to red color. Now it is showing that previously the market was in an uptrend, and now the market is going to be in a downtrend. This red color oscillator shows you a downtrend movement. Now you can see when the color of the oscillator gets changed, the color of cloud was still green. So we are going to wait for the moment when the color of the cloud will also turn into red color. Now at this moment, you can see the color of the cloud also get changed into red color. So all we need to do is we have to make a sell position here. And as I told you that whenever you are going to make a trade, a stop loss is going to show you, the Zylostar stop loss is going to give you the precise price where you have to place your stop loss. So you can see when you make a trade here, your stop loss was showing at this price level that you have to place your stop loss here. And now the question is where you have to put your take profits. So all you need to do is you have to make always you have to maintain 1:1 risk reward ratio, and according to 1:1 risk reward ratio, probably this price level is going to be your take profits. So now you can see market has achieved the target before it achieved the stop loss. So this is how it takes this is how you can take the trades in this kind of strategy. Now I'll give you one more example for the same. Now you can see the color of the oscillator change from red to green, which is showing that in the market there is an uptrend market. Okay, so but you can see on the top that the cloud color is still red. So all you need to do is you need to wait for the color of the cloud to change into green color. Now you can see here the color is already green. Now you can easily take a buy trade from this level, and again on the stop loss line you have to place your stop loss, and according to 1:1 risk reward ratio, somewhere around this level is going to be your take profits. So see, it's very simple that by using this strategy you can place your trades, and it is having a good accuracy in the market, which is really going to help you throughout your trading. And one last tool for using this indicator strategy is when the color will change of the oscillator. So one time change in color, you have to take a trade only one time. So for example, if you have taken a short sell trade in a red color oscillator, now again you are not going to make a short sell in a red oscillator again. So here the oscillator color change into red and the cloud also change into red. So once you have taken a trade, now again when the cloud color will change to red, again you are not going to take a trade, the same trade, the sell trade. Now you will just wait for the oscillator color to get changed, and then you will take another trade. So first you have taken a sell trade, and now you are going to take a buy trade. So one time change in color of oscillator should be on that you have to take just one trade.
So that's the end of our video. If you like it, just hit the like button and subscribe to follow for more updates. See you in the next video.